Good morning, guys. My name is Brian McLand with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Currently standing here in our all-new, state-of-the-art marina located on the St. Lucie River. Beautiful facility. If you have not been here, come by, check it out. This all-new 2023 360 Outrage, one of my all-time personal favorites. New model, just released about a year and a half ago. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of this boat. First thing I'd like to note is the hull side color. Platinum hull side combination. You'll see as we enter the boat we have a nice port side dive door for ease of access at a dock or just getting in and out of the water. You'll see you have a nice boarding ladder, so whalers all about point of use accessibility, so easily stored here on your aft transom. Pop it in, you have a nice grab handle to hold on to as you lift yourself in and out of the water. So starting here on the back, we have one of the two engine packages this boat's offered with. This one is the 300 Mercury V8 engine package. The boat runs beautifully with this package. It's also offered with twin 600 V12s if you would prefer to limit the amount of engines you have on the back. You have a nice dive ladder here, so 2 points of access onto the boat from the sandbar or the islands. First off, the port side dive door. Second is the starboard side transom ladder. You have a nice large live well here in the aft portion of the boat for those that like to fish, with a nice divider here in the center, so if you want to put two different types of bait here in this aft live well, you can. So not only a great fishing boat, but a great cruising boat. So here in the aft area, you have a fold-out transom seat. So creates a nice area to socialize with those here in the mezzanine seating. And then of course you have a aft shore shade that will extend out here into the cockpit to create a little bit more coverage from the sun. When you have this out and you're using this space, you do have a nice teak table that will insert into that stainless steel fitting. So just a beautiful area to hang out and socialize. For those fishing days, you do have plenty of rod holders on both port and starboard side gunnels. More rod holder storage up top. Two insulated fish box, both off the port and starboard side. Those are macerated, insulated. Great spot to store your fish. Beautiful mezzanine seating, extremely comfortable. You'll notice you have armrests off to both sides. Great spot to sit, hang out, watch your fishing lines. And then you do have a flip down backrest, so if you're grilling out the sandbar, use this as a nice prep station, or lay your lures out here if you're fishing. Built-in cup holder so your drink won't slide off. This boat does have a pretty nice technology setup, so we have a lithium-ion battery bank down below, which is a replacement of a generator system, so that'll power your optional air conditioning, your optional seakeeper, and so on. As we move forward to the helm station, you'll note a nice refrigerator to keep your drinks cool, and then a beautiful helm station. So 3 helm chairs here, flip down bolsters, armrests off to port and starboard side, center helm. Gotta love this for a 36-footer. Great area to run the boat. We've got our Mercury throttles, Mercury joystick. Very simple electronics package. We left this up to the next owner. If they'd like to shift this over, add a second screen, you can certainly do so. You'll notice all of your push-button Bocatech switches right here at your fingertips, so you can control your lights, your pumps, and everything very easily. Nice glass windshield, provides a lot of protection from the elements with a center vent which is actuated, so push some nice cold air through here during the summer months, keep you cool. As we move forward, this will provide access into your console. So we do have a small berth that will fold up to create a little bit more space. And then you do have a head and a sink down there as well. Again, this is air conditioned. As we continue our way forward, you'll see nice high gunnels, nice grab rail to hold on to. Rod holders continue your way up. And then, one of my favorite parts about this boat is just the spacious bow, not only for fishing, but also for entertaining. So you have a nice chase lounge here, real comfortable spot to hang out. flip down armrests, cup holders here in the center, and then just the amount of storage it offers underneath. We have built-in bucket storage, built-in storage for your table pedestals, shore power cords, covers, whatever you need to put down here. We've got your bow table that will insert right here in the center. Rests. And then there's a bow shade we can set up, which is optional on this model. So 2 carbon fiber poles, very light, easy to move around. We'll insert up in the bow. They clip onto the hardtop, create a nice social area. So we continue our way forward. This is your access into your anchor locker. We do have a built-in windlass anchor. So again, that's a quick walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 360 Outrage. We'd love to show you this one more in depth here at our store. Feel free to give us a call, 772-287-4495. Thank you.